This podcast was made with an AI voice generator. Today, I take you aboard my imaginary boat. Destination, one of many hidden details in my city. Come with me to 27, Croix de Fer Street. Take the time to take a 360-degree look at yourself to discover this hidden detail. Did you find it? Okay, I'll help you. Position yourself so that you have Saint Nicolas Street behind you and Carmes Square in front of you. On your right, there is a green gate. And on its left, you can see some thin remains of the Church of Saint Nicolas. This church was demolished in 1840. Closed during the French Revolution, the Saint Nicolas Church was decommissioned in 1791. And surprisingly, this church became a shed for postcars. Today, apart from these meager vestiges, only the bell tower has been preserved and has been reassembled in Croix de Fer, a Norman town located between Rouen and Dieppe.